Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to use course certificate filters, pagination, and offline certificates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the new online certificates filters pagination and offline certificates. This comes in really handy if you run events offline, which are not an online course, which are not part of your location. For example, you're running a breathing technique workshop, or you're running a sales event over the weekend and you want to hand out certificates to the people who finished your weekend course, which I would highly recommend because people will feel really accomplished and really proud if they have a certificate in their hands and they can say, "Hey, I've been to this event. I've been through all the modules. I did all the homework. Now I'm certified." So first we want to cruise over to memberships on the left, certificates at the top, and then click Add New. You can select between certificate templates or blank certificate. For now, we just choose a template. We choose this one, hit Confirm.
And here on the left,
you have different modules, how you can modify your certificate.
For now, we just keep it at that.
We just keep it at that.
I'm going to rename it.
I'm going to rename it
to Demo Certificate.
I'm going to rename it to Demo Certificate.
Hit Save.
Hit Save.
And now we're going to send it.
And now we are going to send it.
Here you can insert the instructor name.
Here you can insert the instructor name. And either you're going to create a new contact since on the recipient email, you can either select a contact that's already existing in your contacts.
But maybe they're not in their contacts
yet because you've just met them at the event, right? So you just want to hit Add New. Add their details, hit Submit, and here the email address will show up.
Further
at the bottom right, we click Send. Now, please be aware, only contact level custom values will populate if present.
Some custom
values may go blank. Please recheck the template before sending. What this means is here in the middle of the certificate, the contact name will then be the contact name which we've just added. If we wouldn't have added that contact, it would say contact name on the certificate, and that wouldn't look really good. So now hit Send at the bottom right. Hit Send Email. And success, we've sent it. Now let's go and check our email if it has arrived. Yep. Here we are. Our new certificate has arrived. So let's view it. Tada. And here you can see the new certificate for Tina Demo. So here's also a download certificate button in case your clients would like to keep it stored elsewhere. Now going back under Issued Certificates, you can see all the certificates that have been issued. Here are two new filters so you can search it by date, or you can even search it by title. I hope you find this new feature really useful. Thanks for listening to this video about how to use course certificate filters, pagination, and offline certificates. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment or ticket.